Hi everybody, it's still 6th of April, and I tell you what, man, we got us some rain going on. Check that out. Oh my gosh, look at my flower bed. It's like, oh, a little bit of hail. Yeah. Oh, lightning. That's crazy. I don't want to get my camera wet. Check that street out, man. Hear that thunder. Insane. That's coming off my roof. The gutters can't handle it. What a trip, man. My flower bed. Jeez. Oh, lightning. Sorry, didn't get it. I'm done, man. I gotta close the door. Everybody. Oh my. Oh, stay safe.